What is your future plan? What do you do in your future?
I wanted to go to Bangladesh.
Okay. Con- con- you came here. I also congrat you. I know
Oh, I
you.
want to marry.
No problem. I am also single.
Are you single?
Uh,
Oh,
so no
any
problem.
girlfriend?
Hmm?
Don't have girlfriend?
I can't to talk you about it. uh,
Oh, I think you're really busy. That's
what do you think about me? Have I a girlfriend or no?
yeah. You look really good, so I think you have a girlfriend.
Mm, only one, a dozen of girlfriends. I say only one, nor a dozen. That means 12. You can't understand
Oh,
what I want to say you.
not really.
I say
It's
you think about me. I have one girlfriend or no, five, 10, and two. That means 12. It of girlfriend have.
you have one girlfriend.
Okay. it's it's secret. I can't tell you because you came here and you are single. I also have a single man, so I can't tell you. It's secret.
I'm not really a girl.
Uh, do you have any boyfriend? I know you have many boyfriends because
I have many.
yes, I know because you are pretty cute girl. So you have a lot of boyfriend from from different countries, Asia, America, and throughout Europe, and in your Philippine
No,
countries. Mm, what do
I'm not a girl.
you want to tell me? You have only one boyfriend.
I don't have
You don't have,
any.
but you are look so gorgeous, pretty. Your face is smiling. I know a lot of men are beside you, and they propose you by
They
carrying
just study.
different type of flowers and different type of lot of gorgeous gift. Why you have not a boyfriend at that moment?
You know what? I can hear me.
Yeah,
I'm not a girl.
you are not a girl. What are you? You are gentle lady.
I'm a man. I'm a gentle.
No, you are.
I'm a lady boy.
No,
Oh no.
no, you are not a lady boy. You are a pretty girl. I know. You are a pretty girl. Everyone like you, love you, and always beside you for propose you,
No,
and they send you, carry you a lot of different type of gift. Sure. uh, but How many brother and sister do you have?
Two.
Two. Two sister or brother?
Young
You have,
young sisters. Young.
oh, you have two younger sister,
Yes.
but you are so lucky because you have two younger sisters. They love you, and it's a God gifted brother and sisters because yes, for brother and sisters has every man or woman affection or love. This it's a media of pleasure. Sure,
What? What?
I just share the brother and sister gift of God, and it is media of pleasure, enjoy.
Oh, thank you.
You are always welcome. So, what time right now in your country?
2 a.m.
Oh, 2 a.m.
midnight.
midnight. Wow.
Here.
Here 12, 18, just a.m. at night.
A.m.
Yes, yes, night. What is in your
Oh,
hand? What is it?
a toy.
Oh, toy. Very, very cute. Like you.
Yes.
Oh, wow. It's so cute. Like you.
No.
Actually, it's a
Rivera.
cute. A pair. Men and women.
You
Yes.
say
Men.
that. Mhm.
Yes, yes. It's men, it's women. They're it's husband and wife.
No, they are
It's
just friends.
just friend or brother or sister.
No, just friends. I
Just
don't want them to get married. They're
oh
too young.
young. They need to be big.
Yes.
Yeah,
They still have a lot of
yeah.
like
Friendship is better than any other relationship.
what?
I say friendship is better than any other relationship. Other relation, friendship is better.
Yes, friendship is
Yeah,
better.
yeah.
How
So
about do you have many friends?
of course, I have a lot of friends. I like my friends, and I always like